DJ ATV.
Hey, stop it! Stop it! My name is Olamide. Look at what Ebukoto Shelensi, this woman.
DJ ATV.
People are not paying into my account, they are paying into our own account. I didn't know this woman from Eli Adam. I know this woman. She's saying I'm using it to do business.
Yes.
That I'm using her to collect. I'm using her to collect money. Yes. It's not my account that this money is going to. Look at, you can see now. This lady, look at what she's doing. Look at, look at,
money and
look
my
at.
children. He's a thief.
Look at, this is what she's saying.
He don't let me to go and collect that house.
You see, he said I don't let her to go and collect that house.
Yes, yes.
People, madam, did I say she don't go and collect the house?
Yes.
Did I say so? Look at this, madam. Did I say so?
Madam, did he tell you that he did not collect the house?
You did I say so?
Kò sọ pé kẹ́ má lọ.
Did I say so? Madam, you see, this woman, madam. Next,
We concur.
abeg, what is she saying? What is she saying? Mona talk na abeg. Mona talk.
We tire. She's been an ingrate.
She said I doing all.
She's been an ingrate. That's the word.
You see. She's lying on my head that I came here yesterday drink alcohol be more. Oh yeah, tell them.
You are a liar. You are a liar. You don't want me to take house. You want me to the
That is not what you guys talk when you came. We never heard him said you will not collect house. So
Abeg, did I drink beer here yesterday?
No.
No, you are not going anywhere. Please.
It's 3,000.
Eh?
It's 3,000.
Yeah.
500.
83,000.
Hello,
sir. Hello. Yeah, this is the account balance. You guys can see this is the account balance, and this is the woman. Because I have tried my best. Because the money is not entering my account. According to what people say they should donate money and use it to collect house for this woman. When the woman see that a lot of money has entered her account, she caused a lot of problem to me. So she said I have no right to decide what she wants to do. That I should leave her alone. We just leave police station now.
Yes.
You see her now. You see her what she doing. This is our daughter. This is all our daughter. We just left the bank now.
You want to you want to take me and do business for all people.
You see, because the money that they are donating is not my own account. It's in our own account that I am donating the money to. And look at what she's saying. Olamide, I have tried my best. Look at Eyo.
Let me collect house. You say I should leave the money on account. You say I should leave the money.
Ṣé nínú àkáǹtì mi lọ sanwó sí?
Only kí n filẹ̀, only kí n má lọ.
Ṣé nínú àkáǹtì mi lọ sanwó sí? Ṣé nínú àkáǹtì mi lọ sanwó sí?
Don't let me to collect house.
Ṣé nínú àkáǹtì mi lọ sanwó sí?
And people spend money.
This woman with her 4 teeth. Look at ẹyẹ ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Hold on, sir. Ẹyẹ ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Look at. What happened is that
take it easy. Just say it here.
nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé I lodge this woman to owó sí ẹ̀wọ̀n orí tí mi ṣe ẹ̀wọ̀n orí ló ṣe dìbì mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́ o because people say I have to follow the case up pé mi gbọ́dọ̀ make sure pé woman yẹn gbalé kó dẹ̀ wá sí torí èmi ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ fídíò yẹn ìdẹ̀ lọ sí hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì ibi tí woman yẹn wà. And I told her to calm down for a little time. So, mi sọ fún woman yìí pé kó calm down. Ibi tí mi ti ní pé kó calm down pé okay, mi fẹ́ follow case up. She's turned everything against me. Say I'm a 419, that I'm using her to collect money. that I want to kidnap her. Kò sí kan tí woman yóò sọ tán. People start calling her in my presence, lying on my head that I'm a cop for one. Look at this is what I did. I called the police, let the police investigate the matter at Mowe Police Station. Yes, we went to the police station, and when people start calling her, when they are the police, they are asking her question, she start lying against me. The police people say I should leave her, let her go, that I have done the good. Me to show it all on me. And I took her, when I begged her, I calmed her down that she kept me to the ATM when it's not my account that the money is entering, it's her own account. And I went to see her account, look at what I found inside her account, and I do the video that she has found her way. Eléyìí kọ́ mi lọ́gbọ́n, èmi Ọlámídé mi lè ṣòwò mọ́. I will never do good because that woman, she has a family. Her husband has a family. Why can't her husband family help her before I found out? When she saw that a lot, eléyìí kọ́ mi lọ́gbọ́n, èmi Ọlámídé mi ìṣòwò mọ́. Torí eléyìí ti kọ́ mi lọ́gbọ́n. Woman yẹn diabetes lé mi lórí náà tó ń pariwo lè mọ́ mi lórí. Ìdẹ̀ fílẹ̀ torí kò máa bá tiẹ̀ lọ. Àwọn èèyàn ń pè é tó ń gbà mí jẹ́ ní ṣojú àwọn èèyàn. Ẹ wò mí, ọ̀kadà mi gbé lọ láti Ìkòròdú lọ sí Mòwe. Ẹ wo ara mi, mi ì tí ìwẹ̀ mi ṣe délé báyìí ni. Ẹ wo ara mi, ẹ wo gbogbo ojú mi. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ̀yin ìkúlẹ̀ àbíamọ. I'm sorry torí I'm the one that's been the video to you. This is what happened. Thank you.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ LTV.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.